In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Amazon KDP account. So first off, I would just go to Google and search Amazon KDP so you can get the one for your specific country. And you'll see the first option, which for me will be kdp.amazon.com, and I'll click on that. Now, if you don't have an Amazon account, you want to click on Join KDP and then simply fill out this information, click on Create Your KDP. They will send you a confirmation email and you'll use that. If you do have an Amazon account, you can just click on Sign In. You'll be greeted with this form here and you'll have to click Agree. And then you'll be brought to the screen, which is basically your hub where you'll see all your books, your bookshelf. Now let's click on Your Account so we can fill out our KDP information. And in here, you want to fill out all of this information. So this is just all your personal information, very self-explanatory. You should know how to fill this out. When you're done, just hit Save and Continue on the bottom right. Then it's going to take you to the Your Account section. Now here you want to choose individual or corporation. Only select corporation if you are representing a corporate entity. For instance, you're a registered business. Otherwise, just stick with individual. Next up, we need to do the Getting Paid section. So over here, you're just going to type in your country where you have your bank account. Then you need to choose, is it a checking account or a savings account? And then fill out all the banking information. Again, that's all personal information. You can just select your existing address. And when you're done, just hit Add. Now, next is the tax information. And that's going to vary based on whichever country you are in. But when you are done filling out your tax information, just hit Save. Once all your account details are put in, you can click on Create New Title or Series. And then you can choose what exactly you want to create. So just a normal Kindle ebook, or is this going to be a paperback, hardcover, so forth. So let's choose ebook, so just so we can see what the forms generally look like. So here is all the information that you're going to need to fill in. And I'm sure the other sections will look very similar. But that's how you get started on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.